Hey everyone, I'm Stuart with InvisiLights, and today I'm going to show you how to set up sunrise and sunset automation with your InvisiLights system. So let's get started. First, open your InvisiLights app. At the bottom menu, tap the Smart button. If you haven't set up any smart actions before, tap Create Smart. If you have, tap the plus sign in the top right. If an error appears, it means your system is connected via Bluetooth. You'll need to connect it to Wi-Fi. For help, check out our How to Connect Your InvisiLights to Wi-Fi video in the description, then return to this video. Once your system is connected to Wi-Fi, you'll see a menu of options. Tap the Sunrise Sunset button. Here you'll find two options, sunrise and sunset. Let's set up the sunset option first, since you'll likely want your lights on after dark. You'll now see a menu to customize your sunset timer. First, select when you want your lights to turn on. You can choose options like 5 minutes before or after sunset, or exactly at sunset. For this example, we'll select immediately at sunset. Next, set the end time. You can choose no end time, then create a sunrise timer to turn them off, or select a specific time. For this example, we will be selecting no end time and creating a sunrise timer to turn our lights off. Finally, set the repeat schedule. Let's stick with every day of the week. Once done, tap Next. You'll now see two options. Choose My Devices. Ensure your device is selected and tap Next again. Now it's time to choose what your lights will do at sunset. Tap the plus sign next to your device. For this example, I want my lights to turn on every night with an accent theme. At the top, then select the Scenes tab. Then go to the Accent section. Choose your desired theme. In my case, I'll select the Park City theme. Once highlighted, tap Confirm in the top right. Then Next. Now name your smart action. Let's call this one Sunset Accent Lighting. Then tap Done. Now that your sunset timer is set, let's set up the sunrise timer to turn your lights off automatically at sunrise. Tap the plus sign again and select Sunrise Sunset. This time choose Sunrise. Set the start time for when you want your lights to turn off. Choose the end time if needed and set the repeat schedule as before. Tap Next, select My Devices, and then tap the plus sign next to your device. Now from the Action menu, select the Off option under Switch. Tap Confirm, then Next. Now we can name this smart action Sunrise Off, and tap Done. And that's it, your system is now set up so that every night at sunset, your lights will automatically turn on to an accent lighting theme, and at sunrise, they'll turn off, keeping your home beautifully lit and safe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.